Hazrat Saeed bin Abu Saeed has reported from Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu, a man entered the mosque and started performing prayer while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting in the corner of the mosque. He came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and saluted him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Go back and perform the prayer again, for you have not performed the prayer." So he went back, performed the prayer, and saluted him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "Salutation be upon you as well. Go back and perform the prayer as you have not performed the prayer." The third time he submitted, "Teach me how to perform the prayer." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "When you get up to perform the prayer, perform the ablution perfectly. Then pronounce takbeer facing the Qibla. Thereafter recite the Quran as much as is available. Then perform the bowing until you feel ease therein. Thereafter raise your head and stand erect. Then perform the prostration until you feel easy in prostration. Afterwards lift your head until you sit complacently. Then again perform the prostration until you feel ease in prostration. Then lift your head and sit complacently, and do so during whole of your prayer. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6667.